Howdy, y'all. Let's rustle up the truth and bust some myths about window replacements. It's time to set the record straight, Texas style. Some folks think replacing windows costs more than a prize bull, but the truth is, with energy efficient windows, you'll save a heap of money on them sky high energy bills. That's what we call a win-win in Texas. Now who told you that? Replacing windows with Texas-made windows is as easy as pie. We handle all the heavy lifting so you can kick back with some sweet tea while we work our magic. Now bless your heart if you think that. New windows with argon gas and low E glass keep your home as comfy as your favorite rocking chair. Say goodbye to sweating or freezing indoors, y'all. Charm? Shoot, our windows will enhance your home's good looks faster than a fresh coat of paint. We've got styles to match every Texas home, from ranch houses to modern bungalows. Hold your horses, partner. Not all window companies are created equal. With 24 years in the biz, Texas-made windows is as dependable as a trusty steed. We're family-owned, Texan proud, and always have your back. So there you have it, 5 myths busted. If y'all are ready to replace them old windows, give Texas-made windows a more a holler. We'll treat you like family and make your home shine brighter than a lone star.